Hi, this is Attorney Feng, immigration lawyer from New York City. We want to talk about there are 5 commonly used non-immigrant visa may allow you to start green card application. So we know if you are legal in the United States, you are either holding an immigrant visa, which is a green card we often refer to, or you are holding one of the non-immigrant visa. Those non-immigrant visa include Visa, Fvisa, Ovisa, H, L, J, and E. So when you are holding non-immigrant visa and you are thinking about maybe I can start a green card application, the first question many will think is whether I'm qualified to any of the immigrant category. Yes, that's true. You need to do the evaluation whether you qualify for any immigrant category. However, there are another important question often being ignored by a lot of applicants. This is whether the immigrant petition will have any impact on my current non-immigrant visa. And I think this one has to be evaluated before you even start your green card application, because different kind of non-immigrant visa has very different requirement in terms of whether you should have immigrant intent. Let's talk about 2 kinds of visa that specifically say you should not have any immigrant intent. Otherwise, you may have problem to extend the visa and you may have problem travel on those kind of visa. So they are visitor visa, B visa, and student visa, F visa. So if we are holding B or F, during B and F, you should not start any immigrant petition. Like I said, it will impact when you do extension or when you travel under those 2 kinds of visa. You may consider transfer from B or F to other kind of immigrant visa that will allow immigrant intent, then start your immigrant petition. Another couple of non-immigrant visa, they don't specifically say you should not have non-immigrant, you should not have immigrant intent, but they don't say you are allowed to have immigrant intent. So they are in the middle. It's pretty vague a definition in terms of whether immigrant intent is allowed. So those visas are Ovisa, E-Visa, J-Visa. So if you're holding this kind of visa and you're thinking about start a green card application, the impact on the visa depends on the immigrant environment, depends on the officer's opinion on the impact. So based on our experience, so far, the US government is pretty relaxed on O-Visa, J-Visa, and E-Visa applying for immigrant intent. So we could say maybe that's okay for you to start immigrant petition while you're holding those kind of visa. And there are another 2 kinds of visa. They specifically allow you have immigrant intent. So which means if you start immigrant petition while you're holding those kind of visa, you should be very, very confident that your immigrant petition would not impact your visa. They are H visa and L visa. So for H and L holder, you can start green card application anytime. It will not affect your extension or your travel as O or H. But please, my tips for mainland China born and Indian born alien, if you are holding L and H visa, because the immigrant petition for alien from those 2 countries will take years, while H and L has maximum working period. For H, you only have 6 years, for L, maximum 7 years, which means you need to start your green card application as early as possible so you can make sure you are able to continue extend your H beyond 6 years while you are waiting for your green card application. I hope our tips are helpful in your determination when and how and whether you should start your green card application. Thank you.